Well, we've learned more details about the death of a 4-year-old boy. 8 News Now has obtained an arrest report, and today the suspect was back in court.
Now, while a decision by a judge involved in the case earlier is being questioned, though, the I-Teen's Vanessa Murphy first broke this story and is here now with some of those new developments. Vanessa?
Yeah, the injuries to this little boy listed in this report are numerous and frankly just horrifying.
Yeah.
From the start, a doctor told investigators he likely would not survive from what she believed was child abuse. And this evening, questions are being raised about the decision by a judge to allow the woman accused of harming him to leave jail and without any bail money.
I won't ever let that little boy's name be forgotten.
Ann Bird is a friend of Brandon Steckler's father. The 4-year-old boy died early Tuesday morning, a day after investigators say they found him with malnutrition, broken ribs, burns, possible rat bites, and numerous other injuries, including some prompting a sexual assault exam.
In the 10 years I've been doing child cases, this is probably one of the worst I've ever seen.
42-year-old Crystal Stevens faces a murder charge. In this arrest report, investigators say she claimed she had been caring for the boy and his sibling for the past 2 weeks while the mother was living in a shelter, but she didn't know which one or Brandon's last name. She claimed she was rinsing Brandon in a bathtub when he became limp and unconscious, a story which investigators say doesn't add up. Stevens was initially arrested for child abuse before Brandon passed away. At a 48-hour hearing, pro tem or substitute judge Jeannie Waugh signed off on Stevens to be released on her own recognizance, meaning without paying bail. But before Stevens could leave jail, Brandon died, and she was then kept in jail on a murder charge. Still, Waugh's decision caused concern.
I am completely unaware of any facts that she looked at where she thought it would be appropriate to release this woman on even the charges before the child died.
On Friday morning, Judge Cynthia Cruz, who Waugh was substituting for, commented on what unfolded.
The minute that I saw what was going on with this case, I contacted over. I did a minute order to remand her into custody, no bail on my case, and had the matter placed on calendar date. Currently, she is in custody on this case as well at no bail.
Crystal Stevens is expected to be back in court on August 16th. It is still unclear why she was watching Brandon. His father tells me he's estranged from Brandon's mom. Now, we've put the full video from the full hearing from this morning on our website at LasVegasNow.com. This is the case we've heard from a lot of our viewers about.
Oh, and there's still so much to unravel in this case, but what you mentioned earlier in your report that there was a sibling. What's going on with that child?
As far as we know, the sibling was taken into protective custody, but I'm sure we'll get more updates as this case moves forward.
All right, good job. Thanks, Vanessa.